everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy USDT on Binance. Let's begin by opening the Binance app on your device and logging into your account. Ensure your account is fully verified to use Binance without restrictions. Start by tapping the Wallets button in the lower right corner, then tap the Buy button. A pop-up will appear. Choose whether you want to use P2P trading or other payment methods. For this tutorial, we'll select P2P trading. Next, make sure to select USDT from the options. Browse the available merchants and pick one offering a price that fits your budget. Tap on the merchant to proceed to the transaction page. Enter the amount of USDT you'd like to purchase. Keep in mind that merchants' minimum requirements. Choose your preferred payment method. Carefully read and understand the terms provided by the merchant, and then tap the Place Order button. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment process. Once the payment is confirmed, wait a few minutes for the merchant to transfer the USDT to your account, and that's it. You've successfully brought USDT on Binance. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.